Well, this is a first for me, stringing up a badminton net for the kiddies to play on in the summertime. First thing I found out is that this red nylon wire, or plastic coated wire, goes on top to stiffen the whole thing. Tie a knot in this. Don't do what I did and pull the wire into here someplace and then you have to thread it back through. It's a real pain in the neck. Another thing about these things is they're button magnets. Don't go anywhere near this with a shirt with a button on it because it's going to get wrapped up in these holes. That happened to me about 6 times. Poor me, right? So here we go. Over here. So on this other end, I have more cord, and I've got it knotted here. Then doubly, there's the nylon cord that keeps it square, top and bottom. So I guess that's all you can say. It's 5 feet, 1 inch tall officially. So that's how that goes.